So we're back on this 24-foot privateer. This may be the last video I make for this, or rather the last day. I might make another couple videos. I got all this glassed on. I missed the whole process because I ran out of space. So, but this has been glassed over. I glassed the transom first and then flopped the glass for the gunnel over the top. And then I'm going to add this space here with some foam. Fill the space here with some foam, coring right here, and flop another piece of glass over the top of that, slightly low here. I don't know if you can really see that. Yeah, you can see slightly lower here, so that will connect the fiber, and then I'll grind it all together, spread some filler, that kind of thing. Everything else, I've got some couple of the deck plates put in. Got another one thrown in the back here for the sump pump, and dry fit my last couple panels to make sure those are still fitting nicely. And what else? My piece of fiber here will go on next. Waiting on customer now. We're supposed to throw a swim platform on here before I close this deck up, but I'm kind of half skeptical that may or may not happen. But I've got a couple things I can do. I'm going to throw some fiber up around this tube here, and I've got this deck hatch that I haven't really had the time to mess with. We are supposed to move this boat out tomorrow, or this weekend. Tomorrow's Saturday. So I still have quite a bit left to do, based on time. I am thinking there's like an 88% chance that I'll be done and will not have to come down here tomorrow to finish up. I'm trying either way to take advantage of the heat. This is the last bag of pellets on this job that I am prepared to use. So I'd like to get everything done today. That's the plan. So it's I think noonish now, between noon and 1. And I will definitely have this done by tonight. I'm just going to stay until it's done. That's just how it is. And then I can move on to the next one. This will be rented by a guy who's got a couple of small boats, actually. So we're going to pack them in and do those repairs. And I'm actually hoping this guy will come back. Privateer guy will come back. He still has, once this is all done, he's, obviously has a lot of work left to do, as far as finish work, painting and that kind of thing. So I don't know if he's inclined to bring it back and do that. I wouldn't mind finishing it up and kind of seeing it to the end and have my name on the entire job. That would be great. But I don't know, this has been a cool project either way. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, and you'll get notifications when I start a new project or put up a new video. Look out for my next one too. I think I'm gonna go to make a putty video. So again, go ahead, subscribe, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.